I'm going to show you this new feature that PayPal have. Is the QR scan or QR scanner. First, you want to open up PayPal. Several ways you can get to it, but we're going to go down here to the bottom where it says more. And then you want to click the get paid with QR code. And there, somebody could scan that in and they can pay you directly. You can save it to your camera right here in case you don't want to open up PayPal. So we're going to go back and I'm going to show you another way you can get to it. Also, you see right here to the left, you see where it says LaDonna. You can click that scan code right there and it'll scan in. You can scan and pay people. Say you want to pay me on my food truck, you just click that and scan in my code. My code could be on my food truck wherever, or I can have it on my phone, and you click right here, show scan. That's my scan right there. So if you scan that, it'll pop up my information. You can print this out and put it, pass a few flyers out or post it on your door or window, or you can just share it with anybody you want to, email it or put it on your Facebook. So it's pretty good. It's a quicker way to pay and get paid. So this PayPal is coming up with faster ways. So I just put it on my food truck. People have PayPal, they just scan this in and put the amount and it sent it to me. So I get paid right away. So thanks for watching, and like and share this video, and have a great day.